Hi everyone, this is Sammy. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this really quick and easy vest. You can make it to fit any size, any shape, any length, long or short. And here's how it looks from the back. So let's get started. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday, and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. You can use any size yarn and any size hook to make this vest. I'm going to use Red Heart Super Saver and a 9mm crochet hook. To begin, make a foundation chain that reaches across the largest part of your body. And after your chain is the right length, you're going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook and in each stitch across the chain. So one single crochet in each stitch across the chain. So single crochet all the way across the row. Okay, I worked in each stitch across the row. At the end of the row, chain one and turn. Working in the back side of the stitch only, single crochet in each stitch across the row. This pattern is going to work with 2 rows of single crochet, 1 row of double crochet. And it'll just be a repetition of that throughout the pattern. So go ahead and single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I worked in each stitch across the row. At the end of the row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. And this is taking the place of the first double crochet and a chain 1. So you're going to skip this next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, still working in the back side of the stitch. Chain 1, skip, double crochet. Chain 1, skip, double crochet. Chain 1, skip, double crochet. Okay, so you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, making double crochet, chain 1. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn. I'm going to single crochet in every stitch across the row, and that means I'm going to single crochet in each double crochet and in each chain 1 space, and it will be a repetition of this row. When I get to the end, I'm going to make sure that I single crochet 2 times here, because one will be for the chain 1 space and the other will be for the double crochet. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn, still working in the back side of the stitch, single crochet in each stitch across the row. Here's the top of the double crochet, single crochet there, and there's the chain 1 space, single crochet there as well. So work all the way across the row, making sure that you do a single crochet here for the chain 1 space and a single crochet here for the double crochet. Now you're going to go ahead and you're going to make 4 sections like this. You're going to make 1 for the back and 2 for the front. And then you're simply going to sew down the side seams and the shoulder seams. Okay, so after you have all of your sections made, I've got them stacked here. I'm going to sew them across the shoulders, and I'm going to sew them down the 2 sides. So coming up to the top here, if I place these like this, should either meet here in the center or overlap slightly. And when you're wearing it, these will form a lapel. So I have threaded some matching yarn in a needle. And if you remember to leave a long yarn end at the top, you could just use the yarn end for sewing your seam. but I didn't, so let's see. I'm going to match my stitches here, match them, and I'm going to take a stitch. I'm just going to hold that yarn end along there, and it'll be trapped inside my seam. And here I'm going to take a locking stitch just by going into the loop like that. And I'm going to hold both of these yarn ends, the yarn end from the beginning of the work and this other yarn end, and I'm just going to hold them on the outside of the seam so they won't poke through the center. And I'm just going to go ahead and sew across, matching the stitches. Like that, all the way across to here. And when I get here, I'm going to take a couple of stitches and again do a locking stitch, and then I'll weave my yarn back and forth into this seam, and I'll be able to fasten off. And so once that's done, your vest is ready to wear. So you can see here on the vest, this is the row of the double crochet in the chain one space, and there's the 2 rows of single crochet. And that's what we have all through the pattern. 2 rows of single crochet, 1 row of double crochet chain 1. And that's it. That's how easy it is for you to make a vest. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.